Hi, my name is Jennifer McCord, and I am doing my career profile on the position of Crisis Hotline Specialist. I found this job at a company called Crossroads. They serve the mental health needs of children and their families. They also have a hotline that helps the community. This was a job that I was interested in before I even did this assignment. And I was kind of excited that I was able to use that because it was something I was already interested in. Some of the job duties that I would have if I had this job is that I would answer incoming calls. Basically that's the big part of the job, is answering the phone. But you need to help callers with mental health concerns and if they're in any distress. A lot of what you do is you give out resources to the community and any hospital information. And if you think someone is at risk for hurting or harming themselves, you will give them a follow-up call. In this position, you must react immediately but calmly. You must be compassionate and understanding. A part of this job is that you will be expected to attend meetings and ongoing training on mental health issues so you can stay up to date on everything. As a crisis hotline specialist, I would need to work all sorts of hours. The hours vary, but most of the time you'd be working evening, weekends, and holidays. So you need to be flexible in when you could work. Most hotlines are open 24/7, so you would need to be available when they needed you. In this position, they usually start people out as part-timers just because of the nature of the work. They save the full-time work for more experienced crisis hotline specialists so they don't get overwhelmed with the work that they're doing. For this position, the kind of education you need is a high school degree and 1 to 2 years of related education is required. It is also recommended that you get an associate's or bachelor's degree in the mental health field as well. When I looked at other companies, it seemed like education and experience varied from job to job. It's no surprise that this job is a high-stress job. The biggest thing that I would think that would make this job hard is that you're unable to see the person, so you're not able to pick up on any body language or anything like that. And another thing that might be difficult is that you don't know if they sought help or not. The outcome is really unknown. You really have to keep professional boundaries like confidentiality, and you have to manage high stress levels. Working in this job can be really stressful and challenging, but it can be rewarding as well. The salary for this position really depends on experience and education, but on average, you can make between $12 to $16 an hour starting out, and then more experienced crisis hotline specialists make about $40K a year. I think having a marriage and family studies degree would be helpful in this position. I think it would help understand the crises that happen within a family unit. And as I did some research on this position, I read that this position is expected to grow due to the growing need for mental health professionals, which include mental health specialists. So that's good news for me in the future if I ever decide to do this. Thanks. Bye.